let me go across to Sudhanshu Trivedi, Member of Parliament of the BJP, joining us this morning. And Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, 42 पर बीजेपी, 28 पर आम आदमी पार्टी, कहानी खत्म है अरविंद केजरीवाल की, या आप समझते हैं कि द ब्रांड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स that Arvind Kejriwal brought, actually people felt he had strayed away from that path? What is the reason that you put to this kind of a display by the Aam Aadmi Party?
First, I would like to say that these are just the trend, and we should wait for final results, and we are quite confident when these trends will finally converge into final results, it will be more decisive in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party. As far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, I think these indications are also giving a signal, a very serious signal to the entire country and a food for thought, that those who come with a so-called novel idea and new experiment in the politics, I think this is showing that the experimental politics can be very detrimental. Because now India is on a path of emerging as a new economic superpower, and we target to become a developed country by 2047. So there is no scope of any further experimental politics, and it is being tried, tested and proven that those who want to come and show that they have coming with a new idea, the ideas fail to be fatal. In Hindi I would like to say कि ये जो प्रयोग किया गया है नई राजनीति का, इसने राजनीति में नए प्रकार के रोग उत्पन्न किए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द एलिगेशन ऑफ कि साहब जमुना में जहर मिला दिया गया पानी में. अरे देयर हैज टू बी सम लिमिट, एंड दे स्टार्टेड 10 years बैक कि बिजली के तार काट रहे हैं. ऐसा कभी होता है चीफ मिनिस्टर कैंडिडेट? 2014 मार्च दे अटैक्ड बीजेपी ऑफिस बिफोर द लोकसभा इलेक्शन, बिफोर मोदी जी बिकेम प्राइम मिनिस्टर. इस तरह की जो राजनीति हुई है, मुझे लगता है ये दर्शाता है कि देयर शुड बी अ कंसिस्टेंसी. तो आज की डेट में भारत के सामने बहुत साफ है, देयर इज नो स्कोप ऑफ न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंटल पॉलिटिक्स विच द कांग्रेस इज ऑल्सो डूइंग. देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एनीबडी हु इज ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. जांचे परखे खरे नेतृत्व के लिए की आवश्यकता है देश को. ये नए नए प्रयोग करके नए नए नाटकीयता करने वालों की नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक सोचने का विषय है, क्योंकि आम आदमी पार्टी ने राजनीति को एक बहुत निचले और छिछले स्तर पर ले जाने का कार्य किया था, और जो कहा उससे बड़ा यू टर्न आज तक भारत की राजनीति में नहीं हुआ. आप इमेजिन करिए, जस्ट वन सेंटेंस, वी वर फॉर्म्ड इन 1951, 74 years of our existence since as Jansangh, and then in 1980 as BJP. We never joined hands with Congress, and they took not even 74 days to join hands with Congress just for the sake of power, जिसके खिलाफ बोलते हुए आते थे. और and one more thing, जो कहते थे हम सिक्योरिटी नहीं लेंगे, and that was a foolish thing. How you can say that the chief minister doesn't need security? You were just trying to exploit or hoodwink the people. How you can say the chief minister can work in just 2 rooms? And now you need Z plus security of your state along with the Z plus security of another state. The only chief minister in the country which needs the Z plus security of the 2 states. I think this type of dichotomy in the character which is being thoroughly exposed, and the mask which they have wore successfully for few years, that is being totally unmasked in front of the people. That's what these results are, or these trends are indicating.
Well, let me also update our viewers. After 6 rounds, Pravesh Verma is leading with 300 votes. That is the latest that we are getting. But Preeti Sharma Menon of the Aam Aadmi Party with us. Preeti Sharma Menon, did the Aam Aadmi Party read the mood wrong on the ground, number one? And number two, as a political startup, you brought a huge alternative to the table, and people really trusted you. Has there been a break of that bond of trust, and only the bond of freebies somehow became something that you depended on?
I think the people of Delhi and many people in this country still trust the Aam Aadmi Party. This election is a very tightly contested election, and one cannot actually call it yet in favor of the BJP. We are still in the reckoning. We may still just steal this election from under their nose. Even if you look at voter percentages, a large number of voters of Delhi still stand with the Aam Aadmi Party, and they do this because they subscribe to our brand of governance. They subscribe to our ideology, which is an ideology which goes beyond caste and community. It goes about only welfare. This is a new thing in Indian politics, and we are the only ones doing that brand of politics. It is sad that the BJP is saying that yes, only traditional, conventional politics should be practiced in India. No, there is a need more than anything else for India to be able to establish a brand of politics which is beyond caste, community, creed, which is actually about delivery, it's about governance. I think that even now the trends may change completely. While we may see a few people trailing behind a few hundred votes, it may just turn out to be a resounding victory at any moment now. People trust Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi, and if the BJP comes into power, it has only done so by one, promising the same thing that the Aam Aadmi Party does, and two, they have run a vitriolic campaign on the ground. They have attacked people, they have attacked the chief
Vitriol
minister.
was visible on both sides, so no political party can
Banake.
take the high moral ground on that one. But Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, to what do you attribute the BJP's lead? Was this a concentrated attack that was made on the three very senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Atishi? Was that a micro strategy apart from the macro strategy of assuring that all freebies will be continued? Also the manner in which the BJP picked up the issue of corruption. I want to ask you, Sudhanshu Trivedi, did that play a role?
Navika ji, in our approach, it was not just an strategy, it was an honest policy which we consistently maintained and thrived for over 7 decades, for over 3 or 4 generations. So people see us, BJP under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Modi, as a symbol of credibility in the politics. On the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party, the manner in which they tried to change the character, they seem as the symbol of the crisis of credibility. As Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson was telling that they don't believe in caste and creed, this was a new type of politics. So I just want to put forth one fact. Their present CM and ex-CM Kejriwal both have openly said their caste in a press conference. Kejriwal said, मैं बनिए का बेटा हूं, मैं हिसाब किताब जानता हूं. And Atishi Marlena several years back openly came on press and she told that my name Marlena is derived from Marx and Lenin and I am by caste a Chhatri. Sir, what you are talking about? Can you tell any other political leader, that too of the head of the party?
You're absolutely right. Some of these issues do come back to the voters.